Welcome to this lesson on translating words to algebra. In algebra, we often need to take a sentence written in English and turn it into a mathematical expression. This skill is the foundation for solving word problems. By the end of this video, you will be able to read a phrase and write it using numbers, variables, and operation symbols. Think of algebra as a language. In English, we might say something generic like a number or some quantity. In algebra, we can't just leave it vague, so we use a letter to represent that unknown value. This letter is called a variable. We often use x, n, or y, but you can use any letter you like. Let's start with addition. When you see words like sum, plus, increased by, more than, or total, you know you need to use the plus sign. For example, if you see the phrase, the sum of x and 5, you simply write x plus 5. Next is subtraction. Look for words like difference, minus, decreased by, or less. For example, the difference of n and 8 translates directly to n minus 8. Be very careful with the order of the numbers here, which we will discuss in the next slide. This is the most common mistake students make. When you see the phrase, 5 less than x, your instinct might be to write 5 minus x. That is incorrect. Less than and subtracted from tell you to swap the order. 5 less than x means you start with x and then take away 5. So the correct way to write it is x minus 5. For multiplication, we look for words like product, times, twice, or double. You might also see the word of, especially with fractions. For instance, twice a number y means 2 times y, which we write simply as 2y. Division keywords include quotient, divided by, ratio, or split into. Words like half or third also indicate division. For example, the quotient of x and 4 is written as the fraction x over 4. Sometimes you need to group things together. If you see the sum of or the difference of being used as part of a larger phrase, it often implies parentheses. For example, 3 times the sum of x and 4 means you first add x and 4 inside parentheses, and then multiply by 3. Let's practice a few. Number 1, 4 more than a number x. This is addition, so x plus 4. Number 2, the product of 7 and a number y. This is multiplication, so 7y number 3, 9 less than a number n. Remember the trap, swap the order. It becomes n minus 9. And number 4, half of the sum of n b. We write 1/2 and then in parentheses a plus b. To summarize, first, identify the keyword to find the operation. Second, choose a variable. Third, be careful with less than and subtracted from because they reverse the order. And finally, use parentheses when operations are grouped together. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.